Parrot. The parrot is a very beautiful bird. Its feathers are green. It has a red beak. Its beak is curved. Round the neck of a parrot, there are black rings. Overall, it is a lovely looking bird. It eats grains, fruits, leaves, seeds, pears, nuts, mangoes, and boiled rice, etc. The parrot is a talking bird. It can imitate the human voice. It is found in almost all the warm countries. It generally lives in the hollows of trees. Some people keep it in a small cage, which is not good. Some people train parrots to do wonderful things. Thank you.